Hey friends, I've come at you real quick. I'm sure many of you have wondered where the heck I've been, why I haven't been recording so much. And I just wanted to talk to you real quick about what's going on with me. Starting in 1991, I have been diagnosed with kidney disease on IGA. It's called IGA Nephropathy. And for many years, 30 years plus, I've been living with it, which is just high blood pressure and migraine headaches and that kind of thing. But over the last year and a half, it has started to progress and my kidneys are starting to fail. And so I've been searching for a donor, a kidney donor, so somebody to save my life. So, this has been a hard video to make. It's hard to talk about for me. It's impossible for me to think about asking somebody to give me an organ, to donate that kind of gift to me. I mean, how do I ask somebody for that kind of sacrifice? It's physically, I know I have to do it. I can't feel my feet. I'm just extremely tired. I'm just worn out tired. If I come home and sit in the chair, I'm asleep immediately. I can taste like a metallic taste in my mouth all the time. It's just a byproduct of having dirty blood. And I'm trying to get a kidney transplant before I have to go on dialysis. So that kind of scares me. Dialysis has its own set of problems, let's say, that can occur there. And so I'm trying to get a living donor transplant before I have to go on dialysis, which needs to be soon in the next couple of months. So I'm still looking for someone. If you're somebody you know feels compelled to do something like that, they can go to this website here, livingdonorfortworth.org. That's where the transplant will happen at Baylor Scott & White Hospital in Fort Worth. And so, I have to get this done so that I can continue helping you guys, helping put engineers out into the world. Not only through YouTube, but at my university, through my students. And so, pray for me. I hope pray for the donor. That person will come forth and we'll have a match. If you're A positive blood, which is what I am, and you think you know somebody or you might want to help me out, then, thank you would not even be, it's not even a word that works here. It's just, to me, I don't know how to put into words what that kind of gift would mean to me to save me here. So anyway, that's where I've been. That's what I've been struggling with. I didn't want to talk to everybody about it, but anyway, here it is. I would ask, I'm gonna try and do some little vlog videos along the way through this process, through the transplanting, through the healing, kind of where I am in the waiting to find a donor and all that kind of stuff. And I'm gonna post them on Patreon. So I'm gonna need some help, you guys. The bills are gonna be big for this. There's no question about that. I'm gonna have a lot of medical bills. I'm gonna have a lot of just, expenses encumbered. And it would mean the world to me if you guys would just click on the Patreon in the description and just join that program. Of all the people that I've helped in the world, I'm asking you for like $5. Buy me a beer, okay? Really. Of all the people in the world that have used these videos to get help, to find them, helpful in their academic career or whatever, 5 people. 5. Support me on Patreon. I'm asking for your help. I would not ask for this normally, but I'm asking for your help. If everybody goes and gives me $5, I'm going to be fine. But anyway, I would ask that you go join that Patreon and give me something over there. If you want to give me more, I would be blessed. But anyway, I'll be posting vlog kind of updates there. And so if you're a member of that, you'll be able to see that as I go along. I'm going to try and keep doing videos. But gang, I'm telling you, I am smoked. I am worn out. And so it's hard for me to keep going right now. So be thinking about me. I read every single message that you guys send me. So if you can't do anything, just send me a message of hope and encouragement. And I love you all, and I will see you here on the next video. Thank you all so very much. I do love each and every one of you, and I thank you all for the support that you give me all these years over YouTube. It's just what a blessing it's been. So pray for me. Thanks.